Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Gemini Canvas to create a website. Ladies and gentlemen, you will jump straight into gemini.google.com and automatically it will log you in with your Google account. And let's just close this. Over here in the main section, you want to click on Tools and come down here to Canvas. And this will allow you to be able to create whatever you want. Now we're going to create a website. Of course, there are some suggestions, but I have a prompt which I have created with Perplexity.ai, and here I want to design a modern sustainable fashion e-commerce website using 2025 trends like brutalist layout with bold expressive typography, and the prompt goes on. Now what we want to do is click on submit, and literally you are going to have the layout for a website with all the details in here within about a minute or two. Within those few minutes, this is the website that we've got. Now, you may just look at this and think, okay, well, there we go, we got a website. But you can see that it's fully functional. We can see if you click on buttons over here, you can actually program these buttons. So you can go to checkout and you can program all of this right over here. Now, if you need to make any changes, there are obviously two ways to do it. You can go onto the left-hand side over here and you can actually write in what you'd like the builder to change or to improve. And then it'll make those improvements. The other thing is the select a task edit. So you can click over here and let's say you want to select like this area over here, and you can say ask Gemini to change it to instead of cart, make it like shopping cart or whatever it is. So you can like edit per image or per element instead of just giving a command. Now you can also use voice command, which is fantastic and makes it a whole lot easier. And then it's now in its preview view. But if you go up over here to code, here's the code, and you can even copy the code. It's amazing. So if you want to deploy this somewhere else, you can actually copy the code. You've got a fully built website with visuals, and it's actually quite amazing.